Sore throat? Sore throat? Hey, who are you?
Hey everybody, it's Jay-Z Crazy. It's the end of June and I'm still here. I'm still alive and I'm still crazy. Let's get crazy. That's Lisa. Okay, so I took an extended break. I told you that'll happen every now and again. I hope you enjoyed all the scammer calls, all of them who called here looking to take our money, and I messed with them good. Didn't I mess with them good?
Sure.
Thought I did.
I think that you did.
Anyway, going back to Jay-Z Crazy, old school tonight, we're gonna do a crazy stunt like we usually used to do. I have here Vapo Cool Severe Vicks Winter Frost cough drops.
So your throat hurts?
No,
Oh, are you preventing it from hurting?
no,
Oh, okay.
my throat doesn't hurt at all. I just thought it would be interesting to consume a whole bag of this.
Oh, does your face hurt?
Not yet, but I have a feeling it might after I'm done. So, I didn't think about this.
What?
See, this is a common problem for ever since we started doing Jay-Z Crazy. I haven't really thought out the repercussions of like eating a whole bag. It's just one of the bags that says don't have more than one or two within a couple of hours of each other.
I don't know. I didn't read the back.
Oh,
You should have read the back.
I really
I think-
should have thought this through a little bit more. Can you read the bag and see if I'm in for a hospital visit if I consume all of these in about 2 minutes?
Sure. Make sure don't eat the whole bag, I guess. Well, that's very small handwriting. I mean,
This is how I get myself in trouble. All the time. By the way, we're nearing summer. Actually, it's summer now. It's
yeah,
summer now.
It's one of those.
In the fall season, we'll be moving studios. And
Don't-
that's all I'm saying.
Don't
What?
tell people that.
Too late.
Yeah.
What do you mean it's one of those? One of what?
You can't have more than what you just said within a 24-hour period, it says.
What could possibly happen to me if I eat more than one of these?
Poisoning.
What?
You could get poisoning.
Then I won't actually swallow them.
Guess what? If you put them in your mouth and you're eating them and they melt, they still go down your throat.
They won't fully melt. I'm just going for the menthol effect here.
That's going to... You're going to spit them all out in a bowl and throw up? Because that's what's going to happen.
Now you're thinking. I'll be right back. I'm getting a bowl. Hold on, I'll be right with you.
Because those things are pretty nasty. They're not really actually good tasting.
I'm getting a bowl. I'm getting a bowl. I have a bowl. Yes, I know they're nasty. That's why I'm doing this.
That doesn't even make sense.
Nothing I do is supposed to make sense.
I know
If
that.
it made too much sense, nobody would tune in. Okay.
Yeah, you might want to
Well,
put...
that's lame anyway.
Take them all out of the bowl.
There's supposed to be 18 in here.
Yes, they're already opened.
This is the part that's lame. Most of them are gone.
Pour them on the table.
Hold on. Just hold on. You're
I-
getting ahead of yourself.
I'm gonna slap
More
you.
importantly, you're getting ahead of me. I can't keep track.
I will throw a pillow.
You
at
throw something at me, I'm gonna hit myself. So stop it. 1, 2, 3. That one went in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 10.
Well, okay.
So I can't possibly poison myself
you can.
too bad.
You can.
Just stop. Stop.
You're gonna die.
Just stop. Why
He's
don't
gonna
you
kill himself with cough drops.
call 911, have the paramedics here before I begin if you think it's necessary. They're freaking cough drops. I'm not taking drugs.
You could get poisoning from it.
I cannot.
You can overdose. It
Stop
says
it.
on the
I'm not
back.
even going to swallow.
Guess what? Even if you don't, some of it will seep down
I'm
your
going
throat.
for the menthol effect.
That's the seeping.
1,
Delicious. Your tongue's gonna feel like a sponge pretty soon.
3. Don't make me laugh because you'll be responsible for my death if I choke.
No, you are, because you're choosing to do
3.
this. It's the look you're giving. You stop looking like that.
4. I'll tell you one thing.
You can
I
breathe,
haven't breathed this well through my nose in years.
and then you're gonna die right after it. You keep putting nose in your mouth.
5.
That sounds nasty.
What, me dying?
No,
yeah,
no.
that doesn't sound
No,
pleasant.
me saying you keep putting nose in your mouth. Like the dirty yellow balls or something.
6.
Those are dirty white balls.
7.
Have you ever felt your breathing through your ears?
This is a test. This is a test. Stop ruining it.
I'm not. I'm asking you a real question.
8. What?
Have you ever felt air going through your ears as you breathe?
Yes, in 1987, I believe I did.
What kind of drugs were you on?
Funny thing is, I've never smoked. I've never taken any kind of illegal drugs.
Neither have I.
9.
Unless
And I barely drink.
you count the cough drops in the cough syrup.
I lead a very clean, living life.
And you drink heavily water.
We've had game shows and assorted videos here where we drink. But those are very rare because in my everyday life, I don't drink. I see no appeal in drinking and getting sloshed. Except for when I'm trying to amuse you people. Then it's hilarious. Okay.
Oh, you say you don't want to go and lock yourself in a room with alcohol and drink it all?
No, I'm not like those people. Random people feel the need to lock themselves into, in a room,
With alcohol?
watch Netflix, and just drink themselves into a coma.
Oh, and get mad at everything that they see on
Hold on,
Facebook?
forget about that. Come on, you distracted me. Forget about any other kind of the other nonsense.
so how's it
Let's
going?
deal with this nonsense.
How's it going? How's your tongue feel?
With 10 of these in my mouth right now.
How does your mouth feel? Does it feel like it's parsing up?
I've never had such an overwhelming taste of menthol in my mouth at once.
Why would anyone want this? Is it
They have menthol cigarettes. Is this what is this the addiction?
I don't-
Will I now get addicted to this?
No, because the menthol's not what addicts a person. It's the actual nicotine, remember?
Oh,
So you chew it and you're like
I'm not chewing. I'm just
sloshing it around in your mouth.
sucking on these harder.
And it's going down your throat.
Oh my God, I just inhaled.
You could breathe, huh?
I felt so much menthol inside my brain.
Did it hurt?
Didn't
Oh, good.
hurt.
Uh-oh.
It hurt Cooper.
Uh-oh.
Can you go get Cooper?
Well, no.
Seriously, go get Cooper. He's crying.
I don't hear anything.
I'll get Cooper. I have a mic on. Can you go get Cooper, please?
I have one on too.
Take it off and go get Cooper.
You take yours off.
He thinks we left the house because we closed the door and left him in there. He's crying because he's lonely. Hold on, Cooper. His birthday's on July 4th, by the way. He'll be 20. I don't know if I'm going to make it to his birthday because Lisa's telling me this is certain death.
Yeah, it's gonna kill you. He's gonna wake up and he's gonna have. Yeah.
Oh. I couldn't do it anymore. That was gross. I know that. Everybody at home right now is going, oof, that was fucking disgusting. I know.
Well. What do you want to do now? Rinse out your mouth?
Now what do we do? No, I'll swallow this menthol. That will be in my mouth. And I bet you the aftertaste lasts until July 4th.
I was gonna say it's gonna be there for like more than a week now.
Now, what will erase this taste out of my mouth?
Nothing.
If I pop some kettle porn.
Oh my god. Really? Do you think burning and porn should go together? Kettle porn.
If I eat some kettle porn popcorn while I'm eating porn. What the fuck does this stuff do?
I told you.
This made me high, drunk.
I
can't even manage my own words.
I told you not to do it. You did it anyway.
What I'm trying to say,
Right. If you
what will happen if I eat kettle corn while I eat kettle porn? I mean, while I watch pedal porn. Can you check the alcohol content of this, please? I swear to God, I'm not doing this on purpose at all.
I can't read that. It's too small.
Why can't I speak? I'm either having a stroke or there's some kind of alcohol content in these, and I am jumbling all my words.
Yeah, both of those things are happening right now.
Let's see if I can say it right again. I should pop some kettle corn while I watch some kettle porn. Give me that bag. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. She's not going to give me the bag. Okay, everybody. I'm alive. I'm as healthy as I've ever been, which is probably not that healthy anyway. I have burning heartburn.
Burning heartburn? It'd be weird if you had no burning
That's
heartburn.
kind of a duplication. That is, what do they call it?
I don't know. You just sort of like said two things in a different way.
Which mean the same thing.
Yes.
I have heartburn every day. I'm nauseous every day. I've got stomach issues. But forget about all that. I'm sure this helped. Okay. We'll be back sometime soon. And just know that when I say soon, that could mean 2 or 3 months.
Or it could mean a day.
Or it could mean tomorrow.
That's right.
Did I mention we're moving studios?
Stop it.
We're going to reformat things. We're going to go in
Make it a
different directions.
surprise.
And everything's going to be a surprise to everybody in September. But right now, we're still doing this nonsense here in this room.
And it'd be nonsense in another room. And then nonsense somewhere.
Okay, so Cooper stopped meowing.
Yeah. Yeah, except
It doesn't sound like he's in pain anymore. He either died
no.
or he just went to bed. That's fine, okay? He'll be 20 soon. And he has to make it until at least 20. I have to make it until at least tomorrow. How do you think I will do? What are my chances? What are the percentage of chances I'll make it until tomorrow?
Well, you got a 50-50 chance of waking up as one of those lozenges.
Wiping up one of those lozenges?
Waking up as...
I'll be waking up as a lozenge?
You had so many that you're going to start turning into one.
You're as high as I sound.
I don't take anything, so I can't be high.
Thanks a lot for tuning in, everybody. Drop a comment, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about this nonsense, and we'll be back sometime. This has been Jay-Z Crazy.